Hello everyone, I'm nutritionist Vidisha and welcome to my channel NutriFund. From last few years, chia seeds have become so popular, especially among those people who are on weight loss journey. And those who are new to this weight loss journey, they often get confused because there are a lot of random information on social media like what is chia seed, how can we have chia seed. And on the other hand, those people who don't even want to lose weight, out of curiosity, they also want to try out chia seed. But people get confused. Can they have chia seed if they don't want to lose weight? So in this video I am going to clear out few questions like what is chia seed, what are the nutrients is present in chia seed, how can we have chia seeds, what are the different ways to have chia seeds, and what are the other benefits of chia seeds other than weight loss. So watch this video. Chia seeds are from the plant Salvia hispanica, which is a flowering plant and is from the same family of mint. The main nutrient for which chia seed has been considered as healthy and chia seed became so popular is omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acid is also present in fish, almond, walnut, flaxseed, etc. And other than this omega-3 fatty acid, chia seed is a good source of protein, fiber, calcium, manganese, magnesium and phosphorus. I will share few ideas about how you can include chia seed in your diet. I have used chia seed from this particular brand, but you can use of any other brand. Before using chia seed to any food items, what I have done, I have soaked the chia seeds for overnight. If soaking for overnight is not possible for you, then soak it for 4 to 5 hours. Lot of people have chia seed in the morning in empty stomach like as it is. But you can definitely try something else if you don't like the taste. Here I am adding chia seed to overnight oats. You can also add chia seed to smoothie. The recipes are there in the description box and also linked in the I button. This one is my favorite recipe. Here you can add fruits, curd and chia seed. Fruits you can add any seasonal fruits. Here I have added grapes and banana. And if you like, you can add some salt also. I used to have it in breakfast, but you can also have it as a mid-morning snack. You can add chia seed to normal fruit juice or normal fruit salad also. Also you can add chia seed to sauteed vegetables or your pancake or chilla batter also. You can also add chia seed to your fruit custard or any other sweet dish like kheer or halwa. It will increase the nutritive value of this particular sweet dish and will make this dish more nutritious. Hope you got the idea that how you can include chia seed into your diet. If you are a good cook, then you can definitely innovate some other recipes also. And if you have some other ideas to add chia seed into your diet, then definitely share with us in the comment section. No, chia seed is not mandatory for weight loss. You can have chia seed if you want to lose weight, but it is not mandatory. Yes, anyone can have chia seed only if that person do not have any restrictions of those nutrients have mentioned earlier. Chia seed have lot of other health benefits, like it is good for those who are suffering from diabetes. Chia seed helps to reduce blood sugar level, and chia seed also helps to reduce the risk of heart disease. And those who are suffering from constipation, chia seed also beneficial for those because it is containing fiber. If you want to gain weight, then also you can have chia seed. I have seen people are saying that if you want to gain weight, then you can't have chia seed, as chia seed helps to lose weight. But it is not true. If you want to gain weight, you can also have chia seed. Chia seed is not directly helping to lose weight or gain weight. Your whole diet plan is helping you to lose weight or gain weight. Hope you like this video, and if you have some more questions about chia seed, then feel free to ask in the comment section below. And if you still haven't subscribed to this channel, then press the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon right next to it. And if you still haven't followed NutriFund over Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then check out the link in the description box and go and follow over there. Eat smart, go fit. Thank you.